Unlocking daily productivity with ChatGPT. Imagine a world where every question has an answer at your fingertips. Welcome to the future with ChatGPT. From morning till night, ChatGPT seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. Begin your day by asking for the weather forecast. Need inspiration for breakfast? ChatGPT offers a myriad of recipes. Just mention what ingredients you have on hand. Heading out? Ask ChatGPT for the fastest route to your destination and avoid unexpected traffic jams. During work, it's your personal research assistant. Summarize articles, generate reports, or brainstorm ideas together. After work, unwind by learning something new. From languages to coding, ChatGPT tailors lessons to your pace. Finally, relax and ask for movie or book recommendations. ChatGPT keeps your entertainment preferences in mind for personalized suggestions. Embrace the future with ChatGPT, enhancing every aspect of your daily life through the power of conversation.